Look, I'm not about to tell you to drink water and stretch again. We're going left today. These are 10 weird daily health tips that sound random, but are actually backed by science. Prepare to look ridiculous, but feel amazing. Humming boosts nitric oxide, helps sinuses drain faster, eases congestion. Bitter foods activate gut receptors, steadies blood sugar spikes. Stimulates vagus nerve, calms anxiety, lowers heart rate. Inhaled peppermint boosts alertness, memory, and reduces fatigue. Apples act as mild abrasives, plus stimulate saliva, oral health boost. Gravity helps blood flow back to heart, reduces swelling, improves circulation. Chewing increases brain blood flow, slightly improves recall and focus. Engages opposite brain hemisphere, promotes neuroplasticity. Laughter reduces cortisol, eases stress, boosts immune system. Certain plants, snake, peace lily, improve air quality, better sleep, and mood. These are tiny, ridiculous shifts, but they add up. Which one are you trying first? Personally, I'm team humming. My sinuses have never been happier, but my neighbors definitely think I'm broken. Comment below with your weirdest health hack. I might test it next episode.